Welcome to the Eden Area ROP Fire and EMS program, a powerful partnership with the Hayward Fire Department that's shaping the next generation of emergency responders. Since 2014, high school students from across our community have trained right here in Hayward, gaining hands-on experience in firefighting and EMT skills.
With ROP, it's been a lot of fun. We work out 2 times a week. We go to the training facility, which is here, every Monday, and we work with firefighters, which that definitely helps us. It gives us an advance over other people when we want to join the job. They're very close. It's kind of like a brother-sister bond. I think it's like a lot of fun. Many other jobs don't have that bond, so it's more like a family instead of a job.
I joined the program because it was a perfect learning opportunity. I'm exploring my options to see what I want to do in the future, so this just seemed like the perfect class to take. They're really patient, really understanding, because majority of us are new and we don't really, we're not familiar with this stuff, so they really do take the time to make sure that we understand and we get the help that we need.
Well, I learned stuff early on about ladders, the techniques on ladder throwing. I learned early on about advancing hose lines, I learned all the terms. I even learned the medical side in ROP because it covers both sides. So I'm pretty much set for when I go into my EMS classes as well. It just makes it easier for me as I progress.
So 8 years ago, I was a training chief for the Hayward Fire Department, and I actually said that our vision and our goal would be to have our students graduate from the ROP program, go to Chabot College, get their firefighter 1, go on, get their EMT, their paramedic license, and then get hired by the Hayward Fire Department and stand up and give the oath that they're going to protect the citizens of Hayward as a Hayward firefighter. Now I stand here today, 8 years later, as the fire chief of the Hayward Fire Department, next to Renee, the first one to do what I just outlined right there. And I could not be more proud. We did it. You did it.
So my name is Renee Rodriguez. I was born and raised here in Hayward. I recently got hired with the Hayward Fire Department, and I am a Eden ROP First Responder alumni. I joined ROP when I was 16 years old. It was my junior year of high school. Kind of just, curious and, what it's like to be a firefighter, but I actually ended up, spending those 2 years of my last high school years in that program, and I absolutely loved it.
To be honest, I never actually knew what I wanted to do up until my junior year of high school, because my brother did ROP before me. He'd go on ride-alongs with the Hayward Fire Department, and he'd come back home, he'd tell me these stories of the things he would see, the things he would do, and it just seemed really awesome. I decided that that's what I wanted to do starting that day. The first day of ROP, when Captain Peters had us marching out to the flag and doing the pledge. It was really cool, and ever since then I started my journey.
It wasn't easy, but I was able to push through it. I was able to work hard.
The way I feel after I passed the academy and I rung that bell was the best feeling I think I've ever felt in the world. It's like living a dream right now. It's everything I wanted to do.
I made it. I finally became a Hayward fireman. It was honestly my dream department. There's no other department that I'd rather be a part of. This department really strives to make each and every one of us the best fireman that we could be, or firefighter that we could be.
I will say that in our last test and our last 2 academies, we ended up hiring both Paul and Renee, not only 2 ROP graduates, Chabot graduates, but also Hayward residents. What better story is there to tell than that?
If you're passionate about making a difference, about helping people when they need it most, this is your chance. Join the Eden Area ROP program. Train with professionals, build skills that save lives, and take the first step toward a rewarding career in emergency services. The future of emergency services starts with you. Don't wait, get started today.